Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I paint my nails at home using regular nail polish. I started off with a base coat and now I'm taking a black by China glaze and I'm applying that in sections. I'm getting as low as I can to the cuticle but without touching the skin. And this nail polish is so thick, it's been sitting there for a while. So your girl is definitely struggling right now. I'm also using my pinkies to stabilize and to make sure that I'm not shaking. This definitely helps me out when I'm painting my nails. And then I'm making sure to apply some underneath the free edge. This will help your manicure last longer. I love painting my nails with regular nail polish. I feel like it's accessible, easy. Do you guys usually paint your nails at home? Do you usually get your nails done? Let me know in the comments below. After I applied the first coat, I went ahead and let it sit for about 5 minutes before applying the second coat. This is my favorite part. The second coat definitely gives the best color and the best results, so don't give up or feel discouraged if your first coat wasn't the best. I like to bend my fingers to even out the polish and let gravity do its thing. And once I was all done, I went ahead and I took my favorite top coat by Essie and I'm applying this on the rest of the nails. If you learned anything, let me know in the comments down below. Consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.